Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Fairstone in Best Buy online. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. Buy now and pay later with Best Buy financing is in partnership with Fairstone. They offer flexible financing plans so you can buy the products you want today and pay for them over time. So making payments is easy. Payment due dates and plan expiration dates are listed on your printed or electronic monthly statements. You can make payments with your telephone or online banking. Enter your Fairstone credit cards as the payee. Add a local First branch. Mail checks payable to First. Include the account number and the payment amount on the return portion of your mailed monthly statements addressed to you. But as you can see, Best Buy will not accept payments on Fairstone's behalf. There are no penalties for paying off your account balance if you pay the account balance in full by the end of the term. And if you do not pay off your account balance within the terms of your promotional plan, you might be subject to accrued interest charges. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.